Still Wednesday, December 6, 2023. I talked to my friend, he said to me, go ahead and strip it off completely. I said, okay. Actually, even me, I'm gonna do the same thing. But as far as it's okay with him, no. Then let me answer to one comment. This, it's losing clockwise. This bolt here, it's coming loose clockwise. All right. It doesn't matter if I remove it now or if I remove it later. And like I said before, the rubber that I found, it's supposed to be from the gear. Yay. Yeah, alright, it needs to be replaced. Let me put it inside the instrument. And let's see also the piece. Let's see the piece. If we have a puzzle here. Okay. Yeah, put it here. It's a little bit big to come inside. You're gonna tell me it gets some oil, probably. Yay. So this is supposed to be from here. Because down for the crankshaft, I didn't saw something. We're gonna see that later. Keep it here. No worries. No worries. Let's move on. I'm going to remove the cylinder heads. Cylinder heads out. Okay. Some cardboard build up. Head gasket. The guides. Like I said, the guides looks nice. This is a positive. It's not a groove. It doesn't go inside. But you're not gonna trust it because it's 15 years old. More than 15 years old. And the gear. Also these are coming apart. Not on this one. This all there, but with the time it comes apart. This one, you know what's this one? This is supposed to be the E55. The one with the radiator. Oh boy, I have to come here inside with dry ice to clean all this mess. Yeah, washing. Yay. The cylinders looks fine. I cannot move the crank as it is right now because you see some water, some small pieces inside. It's not the smartest. You can compromise the cylinder wall. So that's why I'm not gonna spin it. Tomorrow, not today, I'm gonna clean it, remove all the dirt what it has inside, and then we're gonna remove the pistons. I have to mark it. Have to mark the position of the piston. Yay! All right. I wanna see something on the car. Let's go on the car. Take a look and mess down here. All these things, what you see, need to be washed. Some of them we're gonna go for scrap, like the head bolts, the crankshaft bearing cap bolts, the connector bolts, the head gaskets, and some other stuff, O-rings, seals. But the most of this need to be washed, and the covers I need to split it, and then you have to sand it, and then you, oh boy, here we go again. Let's go to see the car. 1 second. Yep, that's the one. This is the one with the new radiator, because it failed the old radiator. Yes, you see, it's a new one. Yes, it is. What happened to the previous radiator? It failed the heat exchanger that has inside, and it mixed up the transmission oil with the engine coolant. Yay, lovely. That's why you see all this mess. Yeah, and that's why they changed the transmission, and they put this transmission. They found one from scrapyard and put it on, probably. And the one that get burned on the other garage, it was the one that was mixing up the oil. The engine mounts looks new. Yeah, nice. Okay, what I'm gonna do, what I'm doing all the time, I'm gonna continue tomorrow, stripping it off completely, start washing a couple of parts, and when it comes the time and I collect all the parts, I'm gonna make another video. Till that time, standing by. That's it. Thank you very much. And definitely I have never touched this transmission. Fine, to be clear. Something for the end. Is it worth it to do such a thing? Yes, if you are planning to keep the car. And if you want, like my friend, he is planning to keep the car. He's not planning to sell it ever, actually. And he has, I don't know, 2 E55s, 1 S55, and then he's gonna get now another one. He has 3 cars with a 113K engine, and now he's going to buy another one. So yeah, if you're planning to keep the car, and you like the car and you love it, and you married the car, then it makes sense to do all these things, right? After all, you know, if you put everything down, yes, you can do it external, but yes, you can flush it. You can flush to clean. There are chemicals nowadays that they're gonna clean it nicely inside. And if I knew it, to be honest, it will gonna make sense to flush it before you open the engine, the cooling system, to have less job for me. Hey, but no. Yeah, never mind. So, what I was saying, the guides, they're coming brittle. They can crack. They don't have any problem, but they're coming brittle. The O-rings on the timing cover, it became like a chewing gum. I mean, you see how it looks like? It's almost double the size. When I get the new one, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna compare it. Front damper pulley seal, it's welcome. The seals for the oil filter housing, they were suffering. It was not very good. I'm gonna split the supercharger with the intercooler down to clean it, to see the screws inside. It's supposed to be beautiful. It's supposed to don't have any problem actually. Just cleaning it up, make sure don't fail anything inside. Clean the bypass throttle down here, and all this sand. As soon as you don't see any lines on the screws, on the male and the female screw there, that's a good news. Alright, remove all this dirt. Change the seal here. Here has a seal because there are some models, this seal gonna be completely gone. There are some models that they're getting the S55, I think. It gets the vacuum for the brake booster from here. So the seal that has inside here is supposed to be completely gone. It's supposed to be like the M156 actually. How it's coming on the M156, it's the same O-ring, same seal. Talking about there inside. Let me bring the pick to take it out. And then this, there is also one grommet here, one rubber. This is for the secondary, no, not for the secondary, sorry. This is for the charcoal canister solenoid valve that comes here with one aluminum pipe. So taking care of all these things, the intake air temperature sensor, changing the O-ring, you know, put the yellow one again. You can get even intake air temperature sensor complete to put it on, to don't have any headache. Taking care a couple of things here and there. Let me remove the O-ring. Just a second, I will can't forget it. Okay, here we go again. Where I'm pointing, it will not gonna come out in one piece. Dang it. Oops, that was the wood that slide because I didn't want to touch the, yeah. It's not the smartest thing what I'm doing, but I'm gonna open it after all. Where I'm pointing, dang it. I'm not watching through the phone. I'm trying to watch here what I'm doing. Yay! This, once upon a time, was an O-ring. I need to work with the suction here. And I put that wood to don't touch down the pulley. How nice, Tassos. Oh, come on. Stay there. Okay, it's fine, it's okay. He's gonna survive. Supercharger oil. What's my plan with the supercharger oil? What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna drain the oil that has inside. I'm gonna fill it up with a new one. Then, when I finish the engine, when I'm gonna close everything, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna give it to my friend to drive it for 1-2 days, and then I'm gonna remove it again and put again fresh inside. That's what I'm doing on high mileage 55s. high mileage. Like I said, this it's supposed to have more than 150, but I'm just saying. Now, where I put the plastic piece, where it went? One is here. Oh boy. And the other one, yeah, at least it didn't fall on the sea, right? In the sea, it's supposed to be somewhere here. Give me a second to find it. Yeah, I was searching on the floor, and take a look where it is. There you go. All right, keep it there, keep it there. Need to show up also the plug here. Need to make a list with what parts we need. Yay. Also the oil thermostat housing there for the lines. Okay. Crankshaft rear seal, I haven't removed it yet. I can remove it later. The pins here. Yeah, stuff like that. Okay, over and out. Next video, when everything is gonna be nice and clean, and we're gonna have the parts and we're gonna start putting it together. Okay, you're gonna see the block, the crankshaft, the bearings, piece connectors, and all these things. I'm not gonna go one at a time. You're gonna see all together. It's the same thing. Go watch the previous video with 113K. It's exactly the same. Yay! Important thing, when you are planning to use again the same pistons, it's a good thing to put it on the same cylinders. The cylinders are not iron. It's what it is. It's like the E55. So, if you want my advice, 5, 6, 7, and 8, you're putting a number and you're placing again in the same position, because whatever run-out has a cylinder, it's with the piston together. It's not smart to mix up the number 8 with the number 5, or the number 5 with the number 3 from the other side. That's my advice. Now, obviously, you can do whatever you want. It's not my business. I'm just saying what I'm doing. Fair enough? I guess so. That's it. Bye-bye.